Today, Lincoln and I, there's Lincoln, say hi everybody.
Hi.
We're going to go ahead, I took my fencing down, and we're going to go ahead and harvest our potatoes. They're all right along this area, right here. Alright, let's get some more. You gonna pull it up?
Yep, I'm looking for toddlers.
Alright, let's move this over here.
Yep, I'm the one that grumpy.
Okay. I don't think there's anything there. Don't put all the dirt down here. Let's keep it up there. Let me see. We already did that. We gotta go over here.
Yeah, no.
Oh, look, you got one. Here, I'm telling you, we ain't gonna get any over there. Let me see for a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. All right, here, you do over here real quick, okay? No, her, she asked to try. She asked to try for it first, and you get it next. So I'm gonna let you do a new spot. Push. All right, now pick it up. Pick up.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Anything in there?
Yep, grumpy.
What? How are we missing those?
I don't know, but your little toddler in your room.
All right, nothing there. Now, let's go right here. Wait a minute, I'm going to show you where to go. Let's put it right here. We got to push in hard. Let's take it, rock, push down. Look, I'll hold it right there. You grab that one. You got it? All right, now I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to flip it over. There's one right there, but that's not big. Hold on.
I found another potato. Daddy, that's a toddler.
Yep. Let me move this out of the way so we're not going to damage that here. All right, now, let me go ahead and go right here. You see them? You see them?
Anna, send it in your basket. Anna, that's not yours.
Here, there's some more right here.
Some more tattoos.
Yep, just go put them in.
But so again, I took it so for you.
Here's some more. Look. Look.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got a huge one.
That's a bunch,
Anna,
huh?
I haven't also want me to
Look.
Here, I don't know. Oh.
You got it?
Anna, because I have a lot.
Hold on.
I have a lot of potatoes, so want me to do all the great things about it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Look at that one.
Wait, I mean, don't
Go on, let her have it. Let her do it. Yep, there's some more. There's 4.
Hey, Adeline, don't chop it like that. Set them in there gently.
There you go. Want to get that one?
Dropping that, Mommy.
Let's see if we got any more. Look at that. We got 2 more.
Did I drop it in? Wait, Mommy, did her drop it in? Hers? This one?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
I don't know, buddy.
No,
Go over there. Papa needs your help again.
Come on.
Yay, big toes!
You see them in there? Right there.
Right
Grab
there.
those 2. There's 2 more right there.
There's a bug in me.
You're fine. Come on, grab it.
Get
Grab
it,
those
bud.
2 right there. There you go.
Here we can. You can sit in there. I got it. Whoa.
Look at that, huh? Right there. There's another one.
Here.
You see him? There's one there. There's one there.
Hey, Mommy, I want to talk to someone. Hello.
Right there. Right there. Got it? Nope.
Hello, bird.
Up. Right there.
Yeah.
Right here. Look. Let me give you right there. See it?
Ask some questions.
What?
Not to the bone, you mean? I need to stare at them.
Oh, look
Huh?
at get it.
You mean keep on looking at
It's
them?
already looking at them.
Where?
This one.
See him? Red button still on?
Yes.
Hi everyone. Birds are doing again.
Here you go, Adeline. We'll put that in
Birds
there.
are
Right here.
down for the potatoes right now. Look at that line.
There you go. Look at that.
Yep, you want to see our potatoes? Okay.
Right there.
I had the largest ones.
Here's another one.
Let's finish it first. So on my
Lincoln,
Go get more.
Look at them. They're everywhere. Come on.
Yeah, I will be right back, everyone. Give me.
Another one way down right here. Couple of them.
I'll give you some tail dogs.
Here's another one here.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh, you want to see these?
Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch
Let's
it.
just.
Lincoln, look. Adeline, smile.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh,
I'll probably email you the stuff that I got. I did a video like right over here.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah.
Look at those pumpkins. They're beautiful, huh?
oh, John.
Hey.
Find any more? All right, let's go ahead and move over here now.
Shut out of line.
Oh, yeah. We got a couple potatoes over here.
Happy, I like them. Looks like he's going again.
Okay.
Looks like he said he want to go home.
All right, look out. Let's go over here now. We got to keep moving.
Mom, it's too hard.
Ready? There we go. Push down
Hold on,
hard.
I'm gonna move Papa's camera.
Hard. Oh, and flip it.
Stop.
Hold on. Look. We have a couple right here. I grab them. See them all?
I moved it for you.
Thank you.
You wanna go back inside? Alright. She's done.
Okay.
Again.
Me too, Mommy.
Papa.
I'm done.
He's done. All right, I'm going to keep on going.
Sure, Papa's gonna go without you.
Yeah. And Grubby, you come in the house and tell me when it's time to go.
Oh, okay. Okay, great kids went home. It's pretty hot outside right now. We kept going in for breaks for them. But I did get this all done. I did put the fence back up. But I tell you what, the soil absolutely positively rocked. Such nice soil for all them. And that's just me of laying in the grass, laying in hay, chicken manure. Took a year to get this garden, this part right here going. Plus I added over here. I did, let's show you the potatoes. I'll weigh them, I'll let you know what they are. I'll show you what I've got now. Here you go, here's one. Here's the other. And now we got 5 pumpkins too. I'll bring this in, I'll separate all these, bring them out, let you look at them. And we'll try to weigh these potatoes. Alright guys, we're going to weigh my potatoes that I've got. But what I do want to show you is this board I'm going to use to place underneath each one of these baskets to help hold it steady. So I'm going to weigh this board and then I'll make the final subtraction off the weight. This board weighs right at 5 pounds. 5 pounds. So we'll do a total weight, and then I'll go ahead and take this, the weight of this off the potatoes. There's one thing of potatoes. There's two things of potatoes. Some of these potatoes are just absolutely beautiful potatoes. A bunch. So let's go ahead and try to get this all weighed. Here we go. I'm just holding it from tipping over. So we are at right at 27 pounds. I don't know if you can see it at the bottom. Let's weigh this one. This one's bigger. Alright, I'm just making sure that's all on its own. And we are at 41 pounds. $41 plus 27 is 68 pounds. Minus the 5 pounds of this board, so it'd be 63 pounds of potatoes is what I got. Not bad. And you all have a great day. We'll see you later. And if you like my channel, if you would share, give me a thumbs up if you would, and leave me a comment. All right, you all have a good day.